calculate the value of (96 square minus 16). Solution. Now I want to find the value of 96 square minus 16. In this case, we have what? This is 96 square. Then minus 16. We can express 16 as what? 4 times 4. And that is what? 4 raised to the power of 2. Now in this case, we have 96 square minus 4 raised to the power of 2. We should recall that from the algebraic identity, a square minus b square is what? A plus b into what? A minus b. Now I want to find the value of this. If you compare this, it means that what? A equals to 96. And what's the value of b? And b equals to what? 4. Now, using this formula at the right hand side, what do we have? It means that we have 96 plus 4 into bracket what? 96 minus 4. So what is 96 plus 4? That is 100. Then bracket 96 minus 4, that is 92. So we now have 92 times 100. That is 9,200. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.